Now let's see the another transformation of independent variable, that will be the time scaling. That will be the time scaling. So in this time scaling, we will generally approach or deal with two major terms. That will be the first be the compression. And the next be the expansion. For this compression, that will be the modulus of A, that will be greater than 1. For this expansion, that will be the modulus of A, that will be less than 1. Let's see what will be the compression and what will be the expansion. For example, the compression means if you want to take an old map, there you can see the total countries there in that portable map, but really it will be possible to see the total countries with your bare eyes. It will be not possible, right? That means that portable map, how they will be designed means they will be taken some lakhs of kilometers into the some centimeters. For example, if they will be considered 1 lakh kilometer, that will be equal to 1 centimeter. There will be so much of like that, and it will be just like an move on, and you will see the different type of countries in that portable map. That map be the best example for this, the compression properties. And next we will see the what is meant by expansion. Expansion means just you can see if you are in your street, if you want to move the end of this street, you can see our bare eyes, right? You can easily tell whether it may be the 50 meters or 100 meters or 200 meters. You can easily tell that. That will be said to be then perfect example for the expansion. That means whatever it can't be changed for the compression and the expansion, just it will be the whether you have the given signal be the expanded, be or compressed, but you can't change the shape of the signal. That the for entry level or the beginners, what they will do, the main mistake be the they will change the shape of the signal. For this scaling property, whether you have to do the compression or you have to do the expansion, you can't change the shape of the signal. Here you can't change the shape of the signal. Let's see some problems based on this time scaling. Then you will get to know easily how you can do the problems and how we can approach the problems. And I will tell you one shortcut method for this time scaling also. You don't worry about that, and listen my class carefully up to the end. At the end you will get to know what will be the shortcut for that the time scaling. So first question, what they will be given means this will be the f of t and this will be the t. Here they will be given minus, here the magnitude be the 1, here this will be the minus 1, and here this will be the plus 1. And what they will be given, the question be like this. First question, f of 2t. Okay, if you want to write the representation for this plot, how you can write the representation? That will be the, if you want to take independent time variable, that will be the t, t in between minus 1 to plus 1. In place of t, what you have to put here, the magnitude will be the 1. This will be the f of t. In place of t, what you have to put? You have to put the t with 2t. What will happen? This will be the f of 2t. That will be the 1 for minus 1. So t in between, 2t in between minus 1 to plus 1. Now you have to divide the 2 on both sides. What will happen? Here, divide by 2. So this will become the minus 1 divided by 2. Here the magnitude will be the 1. Minus 1 divided by 2. Here 2 by 2. That will be the 2 get cancelled to each other. That will be the t. And here this will be the 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now we have to represent this t in between minus 1 divided by 2 to 1 divided by 2 here in this plot. So here this will be the f of 2t, and here this will be the t. So here the magnitude or amplitude, it can't be changed. This will be the constant only 1. Here we have to play with the time only. Here in this time t, we have to play this minus 1 and the plus 1, but you can't disturb this amplitude or magnitude. So this will become the minus 1 divided by 2. Here this will be the 1 divided by 2. Right? What you can observe here, they will be given minus t in between minus 1 to 1. What you will get? You will get the t in between minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. That means here the signal, the given signal has get compressed. And one shortcut for this, you can't always do the divide for these questions. You have to observe one thing clearly. Here, if they will be given the multiplication, you have to do the division here. For example, if they will be give the t by 2, that means t by 2 means that will be the division. You have to do the multiplication. So this will be the, if they will give multiplication, you have to do division. So in the gate point of view, you can't do the much more steps. If you want to just see this multiplication, you have to do the division here in this plot. Okay, in the required plot. For example, if you see this same question based on what will happen if you want to do the f of t by 2. So this will be the t, and here this will be the t divided by 2. So what have to do? And here also you can write, this will be the t, f of t, that will be equal to, here the magnitude will be the 1 and t in between minus 1 to 1. And what you have to replace the t, replace the t with t divided by 2. That will be the, if you want to replace the t with t divided by 2, that will become the, here this will be the 1, and here this will minus 1 divided by 1 divided by 2. So here this will be the t divided by 2, and here this will be the So this will become the t, this will become the 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 1 divided by 2. So what will happen? This will become the minus 2 and t in between 2. So we have to replace that minus 1 to 1 with minus 2 to 2. What will happen? This will be the f of t divided by 2. Here this be the plot and here this will be the time period t. So this will become the minus 2 to 2. One thing you have to observe, what they will be given? They will be given t in between minus 1 to 1. But what we will get? We will get the minus 2 to 2. That means what will happen here? This will be the expanded version, right? The signal will get expanded here. This will be the expanded signal. And here what we have to do, if you want to do the, if you see this here, there will be division will be present. If you see the division, what you have to do? You have to do the multiplication, right? What here? This will be the minus 1 into 2. This will be the minus 2. And here 1 into 2, that will be the 2. Here we can do the multiplication. So if you see division, you have to do the multiplication. So this was the concept behind the time scaling. Now let's see the one more question problem based on the time scaling. What will happen? One question I will be tell you and one question I will be given to the homework to you. So question B, x of 2t, they will be given. We have to find the x of 2t. The plot be like this. So this will be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here this will be the 3. This was the plot. They will be x of 2t. So you can't do that much of steps. You just have to simply, here this will be the 0 and here this will be the 1. Whenever you see the multiplication, what you have to do? This will be the 2 into t, right? This will be the multiplication. Whenever you see the multiplication, you have to do the division. That will be the 0 divided by 2. How much? That will be the 0. And here next, that will be the 4 divided by 2. How much? That will become the 2. That means our plot will get compressed like this. This will be the x of 2t. And here this will be the t. This will be the 0, 1 and here 2. Our plot be compressed like this. And next we will see what will happen if we take the x of t divided by 2. X of t divided by 2 for the same question. That will be the, if you see the division, what you have to do, you have to do the multiplication, right? That means 0 into 2, that will be the 0, and next this will be the 4, right? That will be the 4 cross 2, that will be the 8. And here the plot be like this. Here this will be the x of t divided by 2. Here this will be the independent variable, that will be the t. Here this will be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here this will be the 8. Here you can observe, you are giving the plot this and you will get the plot like this. Hence this will be the expanded, right? This will be the expanded. So in this way we can solve the questions based on the time scale. In the next concept we will see the what is meant by time reversal. Thank you.